How to delete all wallpapers on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, swipe down from the top left of your screen and you will be led to your notification center. Here tap hold on the screen and now go ahead and simply swipe up on the screen and you will see the option for delete. In the confirmation that appears, tap on delete this wallpaper and then go ahead and repeat the same process for all the wallpapers that you have on your iPhone. And once you are done deleting all the wallpapers, make sure that you will have to have one single wallpaper. So, this is how you can delete all wallpapers on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.